So you're ready to up your dating game and start meeting amazing women. Not just any women, but high-quality women who are beautiful, intelligent, and have their lives together. Women who are capable of having a real, meaningful relationship. The problem is that you have no idea where to start. How do you even find women like this, let alone get them interested in you? Don't worry, we've got you covered. We've compiled 6 invaluable lessons to help you meet and attract the high-quality women of your dreams. Follow these lessons, and you'll be well on your way to finding a woman who compliments you in every way. The journey starts now. 1. Avoid putting women on pedestals. Don't put women on pedestals. Treat them as equals. When you put someone on a pedestal, you make them seem unattainable and yourself seem inferior. Women are just people, flaws and all. They burp, pass gas, and have bad days too. See them as whole human beings. Focus on mutual interests and shared values. Find common ground and connect over that. Don't worship or lavish women with praise, especially before you get to know them. It comes off as insincere and manipulative. Instead, pay genuine compliments when deserved. Say something nice about their style or smile, but do it in an authentic way. Take women off the pedestal and see them as partners and equals. Have real conversations where you listen as much as you share. Find shared interests and values. Treat women and all people with kindness, empathy, and respect. Do that, and you'll have much more success meeting and attracting amazing women. 2. Don't rush into emotional involvement. Don't get caught up in the excitement of meeting an amazing woman and rush into heavy emotional involvement. Take things slow. Date multiple women casually at first. Don't become exclusive with anyone too quickly. This allows you both to explore your options and not feel pressured into a commitment before you're ready. Limit contact in the early stages. See each other once a week or so, and avoid constant texting or calling in between. Keep some mystery and independence. Don't get too serious too soon. Avoid heavy emotional conversations about the future, meeting family, or going on lavish trips together within the first couple months. Have fun and keep things light. Watch for red flags. Look for signs she may not be emotionally available or ready to commit to you either. If she's still hung up on an ex, not over past hurts, or wants to take things too fast, proceed with caution. When you do become exclusive, do it because you both want to, not because you feel obligated to. The healthiest relationships start from a place of mutual care, trust, and respect, not neediness or fear of loss. Take your time and make sure the connection is solid before diving in headfirst. The best things in life are worth waiting for. 3. Talk to everyone. To expand your social circle and meet high-quality women, talk to all women, not just the ones you're immediately attracted to. Strike up friendly conversations with women you see regularly, like neighbors, co-workers, and fellow gym members. Make genuine connections by listening, asking questions about them, and sharing information about yourself too. Chat with the barista at your local coffee shop. Compliment her on the coffee and ask how her day is going. Strike up a conversation with a woman in the produce section of the grocery store. Ask her opinion on the best seasonal fruit or veggie. At work, have lunch with a female coworker you don't know very well. Find common interests and build rapport. Making these social connections, no matter how small, expands your circle and increases your opportunities to meet amazing women with relationship potential. And who knows, that casual chat with the woman on the treadmill next to you could lead to coffee or drinks if there's mutual interest. But even if not, you brighten someone else's day with friendly interaction. Putting in the effort to engage all people, regardless of gender or attraction level, is a habit that will enrich your life in many ways. Focus on inclusiveness, openness, and making genuine connections. With an expanded social circle, you'll have access to more high-quality women who could become romantic partners or close friends. 4. Master emotional intelligence and vibe creation. To attract high-quality women, you need to demonstrate emotional intelligence. This means being self-aware of your emotions and being able to manage them. It also means being able to read the emotions of others and respond appropriately. Work on active listening by giving the other person your full attention, making eye contact, and paraphrasing what they say to confirm you understand them. Respond with empathy by saying things like, "I can understand why you feel that way." Manage your own emotions by taking a few deep breaths to avoid reacting impulsively. Creating the right vibe is also key. Having a positive, open, and friendly vibe will make you more approachable and help put others at ease. Make eye contact, smile, engage people, and start friendly conversations. Your body language and tone of voice are just as important as your words in creating an appealing vibe. Stand up straight, make natural gestures as you speak, and speak clearly in an engaging tone. Mastering these skills will make social interactions feel more natural and help you connect with high-quality women on an emotional level. While emotional intelligence takes practice, making the effort to improve will enhance all your relationships and make you a better partner. 5. Shift your mindset. To attract high-quality women, you need to shift your mindset from taking value what you can get from an interaction to giving value what you can offer. Focus on listening, understanding her needs, and seeing how you can add value to her life. High-value people are always looking to give, not just take. They look for ways to help others and make meaningful connections. When you go into an interaction looking to give value, it shows you have an abundance mindset. You're not there just to get something from her or have an interaction with her. You're there to get to know her, make her feel good, and potentially improve her life in some small way. This mindset shift will change how you communicate and connect. You'll ask better questions, be fully present, and look for opportunities to compliment, assist, and support. Giving value builds trust and rapport and makes you memorable. She'll walk away feeling good and hoping to see you again. When you make giving value a habit, you'll attract high-quality partners who also have an abundance mindset. Your interactions will be more fulfilling, and you'll build relationships based on mutual care, respect, and growth. This mindset is a game changer, so start practicing it today. Focus on listening, understanding needs, and adding value. Give freely without expectation, and high-quality women will be naturally drawn to you. 6. Avoid making relationships the center of your life. While relationships can be an important part of life, don't make finding or keeping a partner the main focus of your existence. When you place excessive importance on relationships, you may come across as needy or desperate to others. Women are attracted to men who lead full, interesting lives. You can lose your sense of identity and independence. It's important to maintain your own hobbies, interests, and friendships outside of a relationship. You become unhappy when you're single. Learn to appreciate and enjoy your own company. Develop an abundance mindset. There are many potential partners out there. You settle for less than you deserve out of fear of being alone. Don't lower your standards just to be with someone. The right person for you is out there. While relationships can enhance life, make sure you have a fulfilling existence even when you're not dating anyone. Focus on personal growth, pursue your passions, spend time with friends, and maintain an optimistic mindset. When you lead a meaningful life, you'll attract like-minded partners and have healthier relationships. But always remember, you alone are enough.